Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, Callan and I are in the kitchen shaping homemade hamburger buns. Not only is this a fun activity, but it's also a great way to teach math, science, and life skills, all while making something delicious together. So it's 2559, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to take away the because that's how much all of it plus the bowl weighs. We're going to take away how much the bowl weighs, which is 1776. So we get 783. There's 4 of us, so we're going to have 4 cheeseburgers, right? So we're going to hit this button that's divided by, so that will divide it into 4 evenly. So that's 195.75. But that's a little big. So we're going to try again, and we're going to do it by 6. So 2559 minus 1776. 783 again, divided by 6. No, we already did 4, and it was too. They were going to be too big. 130.5. That's better. Let's see what 783 divided by 8 is 97. So
do the 6.
Yeah, we're going to do 6. So that was 783 divided by 6 is 130.5. So that's how many grams our buns need to be, okay?
Okay.
So we'll set that right there. Now, we're going to dump out our dough.
Yeah. This is the cool part. You need one of the things?
That one. Do you want to scrape it out?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, look. These are meant for a bowl. So look, with the curved part. Oh, look. Look, you can see it. If you watch really slow, you can see it releasing from the bowl. So give it a little nudge there and then let it go. Let it do its thing. There, see, look, now it's coming out on its own.
Cool.
There we go.
Cool.
See? Now we have basically none left in our bowl. Makes for easy cleanup. So now let's use the white. It chops better. Okay, but look.
Chop?
Do we have some on the scale?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't say 0, right? So let's scooch it over.
Chop. I want to chop it.
Okay, so let's try about there. There we go. And then grab the dough and put it on the scale. So we gotta see how much it weighs.
It weighs
not enough, because look, we need 130. So we need almost 70 more. Whoa! Good thing I caught that.
That's
131. Perfect. So we'll take these 2 and we'll set them together right there and we'll leave it alone. We're gonna finish cutting the rest first, okay? You just gotta push straight down, okay? Oh, so you need about 70 more again, so let's go like that. Try that. Not quite, you need a little bit more. So let's see, it's about there. We only need about 12 more. Put it on. Okay, you need a little more still. Go for that. Oh. No, we want to get them as close to the same size as possible so they bake in the same amount of time. So look, I'm gonna cut this one a little bigger. Let's see what we get, okay?
Okay.
Put that one on there. Oh, that's a little too much. That's perfect. Grab it. So remember, we should have how many? 6, right?
Yeah.
That's what we counted. So we have 1, 2, 3. So weigh that one up. 115.
129. 31.
Yep, perfect. So we'll set that one over here. So it should be about in half. That one's 107. How much is that one? That one's 147. So this one we need to take some off. Oh, look at that. Grab it.
That one might probably be the same.
That one's a little bit less because these are all a little more, and that's okay. It's close enough that it should be just fine. Sorry.
Okay, now what we do next?
Now that we're done with the scale, we need to shape them. So
Shape them to a patty.
nope, to like we're making dinner rolls, but we're gonna squish them down after we make the shape. So take if you have one. Your shirt has linings on it. Weird. It's okay. Just take that one. That's fine. So kind of take the corners and we're gonna tuck it in. You can do it up here too if you want to. And just kind of get it to form a ball. Okay. And then once you get it into a ball, well, nope, you want your seams to be down. But here, you should do it a little bit more and kind of squeeze it together. Like pinch it like a little, almost like a little purse. There we go. And we're gonna go like this. Nope, but first you gotta flip it over. You need to keep your seams down and that kind of, nope, you gotta kind of have your hand resting. Yep, so like this. So you're not rolling it, you're just kind of tightening it up. You feel it getting tighter in your hand? Could you feel that? Where it was kind of like the top of the dough was getting tighter? Okay, so we don't want to mess with it too much. Let me see. Let's give it one more. And then, can you... Nope, can you flatten out mine for me so that it looks about like that? Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll set it on the...
I don't know how this line next to my shoe.
It's okay, it just came from the laundry. Okay, now. Thanks for baking with us today. Cooking with your kids is such a great way to learn and bond. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you're making in your kitchen. See you next time.